Hello, and welcome to the third in a series of tutorials introducing you to the Local History and Archives catalog. Today, we'll take a quick look at the Photos section of our catalog and demonstrate a few search tips. Here, you will find information on some of the photographs we hold in the archives, including historic images of Mooresville schools, churches, businesses, families, and more. So let's start our search. Say we want to find some photos of Mooresville Mills. "546 results come back. That's because it's searching Mooresville and Mills independently. If you put the two terms in quotations, it will search for them together. Which gives us a more manageable 53 results. If you look at the terms highlighted in the results, you will see that using the quotations helped find records containing the two terms directly next to each other. Just so you can see the difference, let's try taking out the quotation marks and putting the word "and" in the middle. Now we get 59 results. If you look at the terms highlighted now, you will see that using the word "and" in between helped find records containing both of those terms, but this time they don't necessarily have to be right next to each other. For example, you'll see Mooresville Cotton Mills, Mooresville Flour Mills, etc. Okay? So let's take this one for example, Mooresville Mills Band. You can click on the photo or on the title to get more information about this photograph. Here you will find the date, if it is known, a catalog number. Make note of this number if you want us to pull the photo for you to see in person, and a description of the photo. Some photos will have more information than others, depending on what information we received with it. Luckily, this one came with the names written on the back, which we've transcribed in the description here. You can take a closer look at the back of the photo by simply clicking on the second image. If you want to request a copy of an image, feel free to click on that little button here in the right, Request Image, fill out the information and submit that to us. Before we finish up for today, I also wanted to point out over to the right here a couple options in red. One is Email to a Friend. If you click that, it will open a dialog box allowing you to enter the appropriate information to send someone a link to the image. You can make changes to the subject line and the message as needed. The other option is a link to send us feedback. If you click that, it will open a dialog box allowing you to enter your comments. Please note that it does not automatically indicate which records you were looking at. So if your comment relates to a particular item, please include the catalog number or some kind of identifying information in your comments. Okay, so that's it for today. Join me next time for a look at our online gallery. Stay tuned.